solving different questions. These are the problems from 19. Find the maximum value of the function. Whenever he's asking maximum or minimum, you can go for f dash and f double dash. First, I need to go for f dash of x. Differentiation name. What is differentiation of x cube? 3x square. Minus 12 will be outside. Differentiation of x square, it is 2x. 18 outside, differentiation of x is 1. And differentiation of 5 is 0. Is equal to 6x square minus 24 times of x plus 18. Again, we'll go for f double dash. F double dash of x. So, what is the maximum f double dash? So, directly we can go for f dash of x is equal to 0. But anyhow, I'll get minus 24. Same problem. So, for maximum or minimum, for maximum, f dash of x is equal to 0 for stationary point. Take f dash of x is equal to 0. It should be 6 x square minus 24 times of x plus 18 is equal to 0. 6 will be common. X square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. This implies that at x square minus 4x plus 3, it is x square minus 3 times of x minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Take x as common. It is x minus 3. Minus 1 will be common. Again, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So, we have the two factors, that is x minus 1 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. So, from this, I got two different values of x. X is equal to 1, 3. There are two values of x. Here, we will be having two values of x. Just finding the maximum value of the given function. So, let it be f double dash of x. Already we are finding here f double dash of x must be less than 0. We'll check with f double dash of 1. That is equal to 12 minus 24. This is equal to minus 12, which is less than 0. This should be less than 0. Thus, f of x has maximum at x is equal to 1. Sir, what about x is equal to 3? It is not necessary. You will get minimum value. If you want, we can check it. Now, f of maximum at x is equal to 1 means you can put x is equal to 1. When we put x is equal to 1, 2 minus 12 plus 18 plus 5. So, it is 20. 20 minus 12, it is 8. 8 plus 5, 13. First option will give the correct answer. That means f maximum value is equal to 13 is the required answer. Now we got two different values of x, but I'm going to check with x is equal to 1. When we will check with x is equal to 1, f double dash of 1 value, we are getting less than 0. If f double dash of x is less than 0, we can have that maximum value. This is the first question in the year 2019. Question number 2. Each side of 3 sides of the trapezium is equal to 6. Area of the trapezium when it is maximum. That is maximum area. Now we have the shortcut formula for this. Let 3 equal side lengths of trapezium trapezium, be A units, then its volume is equal to, then its volume is equal to 3 root 3 divided by 4a square. Now clearly we have 6, a is equal to 6. You can substitute the volume is to be maximum, sorry, area is to be maximum. But he has given its area, surface area is equal to root 3, 3 root 3 by 4a square. This is equal to 3 root 3 divided by 4. A square value is 6 square. 3 root 3 divided by 4 into 36. 4 1 time, 9 times. That is 9 into 3, 27 root 3 is the required answer. Option 3. You have to remember that formula. 3 root 3 divided by 4a square is the surface area of the trapezium. Next, at which point the given function has the stationary point. For stationary points, f dash of x is equal to 0. For stationary points, take f dash of x is equal to 0. F dash of x means it is 3 times of x square minus 18 times of x plus 15 is equal to 0. Take 3 as common. X square minus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. Take the factors of this polynomial. When I am finding the factors, x square minus 5x minus x plus 5 is equal to 0. X as common, x minus 5. Minus 1 as common, x minus 5 is equal to 0. Then the factors are x minus 5 into x minus 1 is equal to 0, which implies that x is equal to 1 comma 5. X is equal to 1 comma 5. The stationary point and the corresponding values of the given function. Right? When x is equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to 1 cube minus 9 1 square plus 15 into 1 minus 1. That is equal to 6. First value. And then f of 5 is equal to 5 cube 125. 9 into 5 square, that is 25 plus 15 into 5 minus 1 is equal to, you want, you can write it is 5 cube. It is a 5 cube. Just replace, we are replacing that value with 1 and then 5. 125 minus 225 plus 75 minus 1. Just calculate this value.
Minus 26.
Minus how much?
26.
Very good. Minus 26. So first value is 6. Next value is minus 26. That is, first option will give the correct answer. Next problem. In which interval your function is increasing? Increasing means what is the condition f dash of x greater than 0? First find out f dash of x which is greater than 0 for increasing function. X square will be outside. Log x differentiation 1 by x. Log x is outside. Differentiation of x square is 2x. You can make use of UV formula, product rule. U differentiation of V plus V differentiation of U. 1x will get cancelled. X plus 2x log x, which is greater than 0 for increasing function. Let's take x as common. 1 plus 2 times of log x, which is greater than 0. Now, x is positive. X is positive and 1 plus 2 times of log x is also positive. Then only your result positive into positive, you will get positive quantity. And even both are negative is also possible. First, I need to check with this condition whether I got the correct answer or not. If I'm not getting this, I'll go for x value negative. 1 plus 2 log x is also negative. So first condition, no problem. X value greater than 0 means either option 3 or option 4 will give the correct answer. First two options will be deleted. Why? Why? Because x greater than 0. When we can use x greater than 0, x always positive. So either 0, so see here, the starting value is 0. Next part, 1 plus 2 times of log x. 1 plus 2 times of log x means 2 log x, which is greater than minus 1. Log x, which is greater than minus 1 by 2. X is greater than e power minus 1 by 2. And now when we apply exponential to the base on both sides, e log cancel, you will get e power minus 1 by 2. So 0 comma e power minus 1 by 2. That is option 4 will give the correct answer for this question. Next one. Problem number 5. The set of values of x for which the set of values of x for which the function f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x plus 4 is increasing. Is increasing. So we have the options here. 1 less than x less than 2. for all values of x r minus 1 comma 2. Option 4 is x greater than or equal to 2. So first f dash of x greater than 0 for increasing function. For increasing f dash of x greater than 0. So take the derivative of this function. That is 2 into, it should be 3x square minus 9 into, it should be 2x plus 12 into 1 plus 0, which is greater than 6x square minus 18 times of x plus 12, which is greater than, take 6 as common, x square minus 3x plus 2, which is greater than 0. Now take the factors x minus 1, x minus 2, which is greater than 0. As we have done the same concept yesterday, x is equal to 1 and another factor is x is equal to 2. Let's represent this on number line in an increasing order. 1, 2. Initially, you can take plus, minus, plus. Greater than means positive side. We require the positive. That is x is belongs to what we are going to take. That is minus infinity to 1 union 2 to infinity. Minus infinity to 1 union 2 to infinity. That means the 2 is not included. 1 is also not included, all the parts. So the what I can identify, which option I'm going to identify? Out of the given options, which option I'm going to select? Yes, please. Is it 1 less than x less than 2? Is it your range is between 1 and 2? No. Between 1 and 2 negative value. All real values of x? No. 1 and 2 is also not included and this part is also not included. Is it the third option? Yes. So x is belongs to all rational numbers but except between 1 and 2. This is the correct answer for this question. That means this part must be deleted. This part must be deleted. Between 1 and 2 must be deleted. So if you're deleting means you can take all the real numbers except this 1 and 2 and between the given numbers. Next. Next problem. The maximum area of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle. The maximum area of the rectangle with perimeter is 176 centimeter. 176 centimeter. Let's see how we can do this rectangle concept. Given perimeter is equal to 2 times of L plus B is equal to 176. So length plus breadth is equal to 176 divided by 2. You will get 88. I'll take this as equation number 1. Equation number 1. And from this, even you can write B is equal to 88 minus L. What is B value? 88 minus L. So I can take this as equation number 1 instead of this. What is an area? Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. This is equal to L, breadth value 88 minus L. is equal to 88 times of L minus L square, Nanna. I'm going to denote this with A. Area is to be maximum. For maximum, dA by dt is equal to 0, dA by dL. Now we are finding dA by dL is equal to 0 for maximum. For maximum. So dA by dL means 88 into 1 minus 2L is equal to 0. 2L is equal to 88. So L is equal to 44. What he is asking, what is the maximum area? Area will be what? L into B. So maximum area is equal to L into B. So here I can find out then B is equal to 88 minus L. That is equal to 88 minus L value is what? It is 44. Then B is also 44. L value 44, B value is also 44. Then area is equal to L into B, that is 44 into 44. What is the required answer? You can multiply these two. You will get the required answer. How much you are getting?
1936.
1936. That is the first option. Will give the correct answer. 1936. Question is very simple. We are going to take perimeter is already given to you. I am finding breadth, and we know that the area of the rectangle is L into B. So B will be converted in terms of L, and we can apply the differentiation for maximum. That is dA by dL is equal to 0. We are getting L and then B values. So B is equal to 44, L is also 44. So he's asking just LB maximum area. Next one. Two positive numbers whose sum is 64 and sum of the cube is minimum. Sum of the cube is minimum. Two positive numbers whose sum is 64, sum of the cube is minimum. So let us consider two positive numbers. Let x comma y be two numbers. Be two positive numbers such that what is the first condition? X plus y is equal to how much? 64. From this, y is equal to 64 minus x. Let it be equation number 1. And also sum of the cube. F of x comma y is equal to sum of the cubes means x cube plus y cube. This is to be maximum. Y value already we got here. F of x is equal to x cube plus y means 64 minus x whole cube. Y value just we have substituted. So for minimum, what we are going to do? For minimum, df divided by dx is equal to 0. df divided by dx means 3 times of x square plus, first I can apply x power n formula, that is 64 minus x 3 minus 1, that is 2, and d by dx of 64 minus x means minus 1, 0 minus 1. Don't forget to differentiate it. First x cube 3x square, x power n means n into x power n minus 1. 64 minus x differentiation is minus 1. The differentiation of 64 minus x, right? And is equal to 0. Don't forget. Take 3 as common. X cube, x square minus x square minus 64 minus x whole square is equal to 0. So from this, what I am going to get? X square minus 64 minus x whole square is equal to 0. So you can take x square is equal to 64 minus x whole square. You will get plus or minus. So from this, x is equal to 64 minus x. 2x is equal to 64. X is equal to 32. If x is equal to 32, y is also 6. Then y is equal to, what is y value? 64 minus x. That is equal to 32. So your answer is 32 comma 32. This question is also simple. Not necessary to expand this by using a minus b whole square formula. సో మీకు ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా క్యూబ్ ఉంది. దీన్ని ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేస్తే చాలా ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది. 64 హోల్ క్యూబ్ 2ab అన్నప్పుడు 128x 2a క్యూబ్ a మైనస్ బి హోల్ క్యూబ్ ఫార్ములా, ఇక్కడ a క్యూబ్ మైనస్ 3a స్క్వేర్ బి ప్లస్ 3. చాలా ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది. దాన్ని ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేయొద్దు, డైరెక్ట్ గా డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ అప్లై చేసా. x పవర్ n అంటే n x పవర్ n minus 1, బట్ డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ the expression, the function which is in bracket must be differentiated. సో ఆ బ్రాకెట్ లో ఉండే ఫంక్షన్ ని మళ్ళీ డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయాలి మనం. డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేస్తే -1 వస్తుంది చూడండి. వి నో దట్ f dash of x is equal to 0 కాబట్టి 0 కి ఈక్వల్ చేసా. ఇక్కడ మనకి 2 పాసిబిలిటీస్ వస్తాయనన్న. వాట్ ఆర్ ద 2 పాసిబిలిటీస్ హియర్? x is equal to either plus 64 minus x, x is equal to minus of 64 minus x. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ తీసుకుంటే ఈ ఎక్స్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది, ఇది పాసిబుల్ అవ్వదు. కాబట్టి ఓన్లీ పాజిటివ్ క్వాంటిటీ మాత్రమే తీసుకుంటాం మనం. దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. సో యూ విల్ గెట్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ as 32, then y is equal to 32. First option will be the correct answer. Next. Right. This is the next problem. Error of 3% occurs in measuring the side of the cube. Percentage error in the volume. Percentage error in the volume. ఏమిచ్చానన్న మీకు? dx by error occurs in increase the side of the cube. let side of cube is equal to x, given dx by dt into 100 is equal to 3% అని ఇచ్చారు చూడండి. నాన్న, what is mean by volume? What is the volume of cube? Volume of cube ఏంటండి? Yesterday I have given the list of the formulas. Volume of the cube. Yes. Is it x cube or not? మీకు dv by dt కావాలి. టేకింగ్ లాగ్ తీసుకోండి బోత్ సైడ్స్. టేకింగ్ log we get log v is equal to log of x cube, x power n అంటే x, log x అవుతుంది. సో log v is equal to 3 log x. నాన్న డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయండి టు ఈక్వేషన్ నంబర్ 1. డిఫరెన్షియేట్ ఇట్. log v is equal to differentiating it 1 by v dv by dt. This is equal to 3 into 1 by x. Log x అంటే ఏమి? 1 by x into dx by dt. సో దీన్ని ఏం చేస్తాం మనం? చేంజ్ ఇన్ x అంటే డెల్టా x డివైడెడ్ బై x అని రాస్తాం చూడండి అక్కడ. ఇక్కడ కూడా డెల్టా v డివైడెడ్ బై v అవుతుంది. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ టేకింగ్ దిస్ డెల్టా v by b. ఆ తర్వాత 3 ఇంటూ డెల్టా x డివైడెడ్ బై x నాన్న. సో వి రిక్వైర్ ఇంటూ 100 కావాలి కాబట్టి డెల్టా v డివైడెడ్ బై v ఇంటూ 100 is equal to 3 into delta x divided by x into 100. Delta x by x into 100 value is 3. This is clearly given. Your answer is 9. 2% అనే ప్రాబ్లం yesterday we people have done. Yesterday నిన్న వచ్చేసి మీరు 2% ప్రాబ్లం చేశారు చూడండి. He has given 3% for this. అక్కడ 4 వచ్చి ఉంటుంది ఆన్సర్. ఇక్కడ మనకి 3 into 3 9. Next. These are all the questions from 20. These are all the questions from 20. The function f of x has the minimum value. Has the minimum value at which point? For maximum or minimum, మీరు చేయాల్సింది f dash of x is equal to 0 చేయండి. Make it fast. f dash of x is equal to 0 చేసి x value find out చేయండి. Take f dash of x is equal to 0.
X 1 by 2, sir.
1 by 2 వస్తుందా x value? Very good. So when we do f dash of x is equal to 0, differentiation చేస్తే for minimum or for maximum, f dash of x value, it should be 8 times of x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 by 2. అన్న మీకు 3 ఆప్షన్స్ లో ఉంది. ఆ x is equal to 1 by 2 తీసుకెళ్ళి అక్కడ ఫంక్షన్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. f of 1 by 2 is equal to 4 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 by 2 plus 11. This is equal to 4 divided by 4 minus 4 divided by 2 plus 11. 2 times cancel. 4 will get cancelled. That is a 12 minus 1 minus 2 plus 11. So 12 minus 2 means it is 10. Option 4 will give the correct answer for this question.
Sir, second time derivation ఎందుకు చేయలేదు సార్?
అవసరం లేదు, మినిమం వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు వాడు. వాడే ఇచ్చాడు మీ ఫంక్షన్ మినిమం అయితే ఆ వాల్యూ క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయమంటున్నాడు. ఎక్కడ మినిమము? మినిమం 1/2 దగ్గర వస్తుంది, మనకు అవసరం లేదు. ఎందుకంటే ఆల్రెడీ ది వెన్ ఫంక్షన్ హ్యాస్ మినిమం అన్నాడు కాబట్టి నార్మల్ గా అవుతే f డబల్ డాష్ ఆఫ్ 1/2 మినిమం అంటే గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0 రావాలి, చెక్ చేయాలి మనం. బట్ మనకు అవసరం లేదు, ఆల్రెడీ ద గివెన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ మినిమం కాబట్టి చెకింగ్ అవసరం లేదు అంటున్నా అంతే.
ఓకే సార్.
నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. In which interval a function has decreasing? In which interval your function is decreasing? Problem from 21. Question is from 21. None of our decreasing function f dash of x less than 0, greater than 0.
Less than 0.
Which is less than 0. Differentiation చేయండి. 3 times of x square 24 times of x plus 36 which is less than 0. X square minus 6x 8 kada 8x plus 12 which is less than 0. 12 6 to 2 will get just a 6 to 2. X square minus 6x minus 2x plus 12 which is less than 0. X into x minus 6 minus 2 into x minus 6 which is less than 0. X minus 2 x minus 6 which is less than 0. మీరు రెండే పాయింట్స్ ఇక్కడ గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఎప్పుడైతే మీకు ఇన్ఈక్వాలిటీ ఇస్తాడో నాన్న మేక్ యూజ్ ఆఫ్ ద నంబర్ లైన్. నంబర్ లైన్ పైన ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్డర్తో వాడు ఇచ్చినటువంటి ఇక్కడ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసేసేయాలి. ఎక్స్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 అనేది ఒక ఫ్యాక్టర్, ఎక్స్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 6 అనేది ఇంకో ఫ్యాక్టర్. మీరు క్లియర్గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే పాజిటివ్ సైడ్ ప్లస్ పెట్టుకోవాలి, మైనస్ ప్లస్. రైట్ సైడ్ ప్లస్తో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం మనం, ప్లస్ మైనస్ ప్లస్. చూడండి మీకు పాజిటివ్ నెగటివ్ ఇక్కడ కావాల్సింది నెగటివ్ వాల్యూ లెస్ దాన్ 0 కాబట్టి నెగటివ్ వాల్యూ కావాలి. నెగటివ్ ఎక్కడుంది చెక్ చేయండి. నెగటివ్ వాల్యూ 2 to 6 మధ్యలో ఉందా? ఇట్స్ ప్లేస్ బిట్వీన్ 2 to 6. సో ఎక్స్ ఈస్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు 2, 6. మీకు ఒక కండిషన్ చెప్తాను నేను. ఈ నంబర్ లైన్ ఇదంతా ఏం అవసరం లేదు. 2 points are going to remember. Whenever he is asking x minus alpha, x minus beta, which is less than 0, which implies that x is belongs to alpha comma beta. Right. ఒకవేళ మనకు గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఉందనుకోండి, x minus alpha, x minus beta, which is greater than 0, implies that x is belongs to minus infinity to alpha union beta to infinity. ఇది గుర్తు పెట్టుకోండి. నెగటివ్ వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు చూడండి ఒక్కసారి నంబర్ లైన్ పైన మీకు ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ వచ్చేసి ఆల్ఫా ఒకటి బీటా. సో ఆల్రెడీ యు నో దట్ ఫస్ట్ ప్లస్ పెట్టుకోవాలి రైట్ సైడ్, మైనస్ మళ్ళీ ప్లస్. నన్ను ప్లస్ ఎక్కడుంది చూడండి, బీటా తర్వాత ఉంది, తర్వాత ఆల్ఫా కంటే ముందు వైపు ఉంది. కాబట్టి ఎప్పుడైతే మీకు పాజిటివ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0 ఇస్తాడో సెకండ్ కేస్ ఇది. దిస్ ఈస్ ద సెకండ్ కేస్, కేస్ నెంబర్ 2. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ అబ్జర్వింగ్ ద ఫస్ట్ కేస్ ఏంటి నాన్న, జస్ట్ యూ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ ద ఫస్ట్ కేస్, దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ ఆల్ఫా టు బీటా. ఆల్ఫా బీటా మధ్యలో ఫస్ట్ కేస్ వస్తుంది, బికాస్ యువర్ రేంజ్ ఈజ్ వాట్, ఇట్ ఈస్ లెస్ దాన్ 0. లెస్ దాన్ 0 కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ కేస్ అవుతుంది, గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0 సెకండ్ కేస్. This is one of the most important concepts to be remembered. So your answer is 2,6 already has given. A general problem is profit and loss paina. It is also one application part of this maximum and minimum value. This is the next problem. ఆ రెండు పాయింట్స్ నోట్ చేసుకోండి. 2011, a shopkeeper can buy X items for X by 5 plus 500. X plus 5 plus 500. X plus 5 plus 500. And he can sell X items for the price of 5 minus X by 100. Find the number of items should he sell to reach the maximum value. Suppose he can sell X number of items at a price of each item will be 5 minus X by 100. Then selling price I need to get selling price. So ఒక్కసారి ప్రాబ్లమ్ ని క్లియర్ గా నోట్ చేసుకోండి. A shopkeeper can buy X items for rupees X by 5 plus 500 and he can sell X items 5 minus X divided by 100. So number of items ఎన్ని అన్న ఇక్కడ X చూడండి. Number of items is equal to X. Selling price is equal to each item 5 minus X by 100, but number of items are X. So 5X minus X square divided by 100. What is the cost price? Cost price of the total number of items is equal to X by 5 plus 500. Cost price of X number of items is equal to X by 100 plus 500. X by 100 plus 500. Shopkeeper buy X number of items. See here, cost price of X number of items, but selling price for each item. So what is the profit? The number of items he should sell to make the maximum profit. What is the profit formula? Selling price minus cost price. Let it be, take it as F, that is equal to 5X minus X square divided by 100 minus of X by 5 plus 500. Then for maximum profit, F dash is equal to 0. For maximum profit, maximum or minimum, the first order derivative is equal to 0. Implies that 5X will become 5 minus 2X by 100 minus X means 1 plus 0. This implies that is equal to 0. 5 minus x divided by 50 minus 1 divided by 5 is equal to 0. Take LCM. You can take LCM. And then find the value of x. What is an LCM? 24 minus 1, 25 minus 1 divided by 5 minus x divided by 50 is equal to 0. 24 by 5 is equal to x divided by 50 is equal to 0. Sorry, already we are taking equal to. So 5, 10 times cancel. From this, what is the value of x? 24 is equal to x divided by 10. What is the value of x? X is equal to 240 is the required answer. Nana, he is asking not necessary to find out f double dash because already he has given it is maximum. Suppose if you are getting two values at that time we need to check. But I have only one value at which profit then the number of items x is equal to 240. First option will give the correct answer. Next one. And see the difference how the questions is asking. This is the next problem. Volume of the cube increase at the rate of 5 cubic centimeters per second. Rate of change in the length of the edge of the cube when the length of the edge of the cube is 5 centimeters. This question is very simple. What is meant by volume of the cube, Nana? What is the formula?
X cube, sir.
Very good. It is V is equal to x cube. Increasing at a rate of means dV by, he's asking when the length of the edge dV by dt is equal to, this is given as 5. And what he's asking, rate of change in the length, is asking dx by dt is equal to what? When x is equal to 5. Question is very simple. Let side of cube, each side of cube is equal to x. This is given to you as 5, right? Then its volume. Then volume of the cube V is equal to x cube. Differentiating it, dV by dt is equal to 3 times of x square dx by dt. What is the dV by dt value? dV by dt is equal to 5 is equal to 3 times of x square value is how much? It is 5 square into dx by dt. 1 5 will get cancelled, or 5 divided by 3 into 25 is equal to dx by dt. He's asking just a dx by dt. 5 1 times, 5 times. So dx by dt is equal to 1 by 15 is the required answer. That is option 3. Next problem, interval in which your function is strictly increasing. Increasing means f dash of x which is greater than 0. Problem మీరు చేసేయచ్చు. The next question is from 21 only. F dash of x, already we have the options. F dash of x less than 0. Increasing means strictly increasing. F dash of x which is less than 0. 3 బయటికి వస్తుంది మీకు 12 times of x square minus 18 times of x plus 12 which is less than 0. So 2x square minus 3x plus 2 which is less than 0. Increasing kada, increasing ante greater than kada nana. What is meant by increasing? Which is greater than 0. Greater than. 2 into 2, 4, that is 2 times of x square minus 4 times of x plus x plus 2. So 2 into 2, 4 minus 4x plus x. Yes, please. So here when we find the factors 2 into 3, it is a 6x square, not 12. It should be 6x square. 6. So 6 to divide చేస్తున్నాను. When we divide with the 6, it should be what? The middle part. 2 into 1. Minus 2x minus x plus 2 which is greater than 0. X common తీయండి. X minus 2. Minus 1 will be common. X minus 2 which is greater than 0. Your factors are x minus 1 into x minus 2 which is greater than 0. మీకు ఇంతకు ముందే చెప్పా, ఎప్పుడైతే మీకు ఆల్ఫా బీటా గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0 వస్తుందో, సో గ్రేటర్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ సైడ్, లెస్సర్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ లెస్సర్ సైడ్, యూనియన్ 2 to infinity వస్తుంది. మీకు నంబర్ లైన్ కావాలంటే ఇక్కడ పెట్టేసేయండి. ఆల్ఫా దట్ ఈస్ 1, బీటా వాల్యూ దట్ ఈస్ 2, ఆల్టర్నేటివ్లీ ప్లస్ మైనస్ ప్లస్. సో ప్లస్ ఎక్కడైతే ఉంటుందో అది ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. బిఫోర్ 1 అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ 2 గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0 కాబట్టి. సో ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు minus infinity to 1 union 2 to infinity is the correct answer. That is option 4. Similar question అడిగాడు ఇక్కడ. perimeter of the rectangle ఇంతకు ముందు చేసి ఉన్నాం మనం. perimeter of the rectangle is 40. Just now we people have done perimeter problem. ఇంతకు ముందే ఒక ప్రాబ్లం చేసి ఉన్నాం చూడండి. perimeter of the rectangle is 40. 64 అనే ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చాడు ఇంతకు ముందు మనకి. Then the area of the rectangle, what are the dimensions? What are the dimensions? So this is 2021. So perimeter P is given to you as 40. తెలుసునన్న మీకు P అంటే 2 times of x plus y is equal to 40. From this x plus y is equal to 20 అనుకుంటాం మనం. That is equation number 1 అనుకోండి. Otherwise y is equal to 20 minus x. I am taking this as equation number 1. What is the area of the rectangle? Area is equal to length into breadth. That is equal to length means it is x, y ante 20 minus x. That is equal to 20 times of x minus x square. I am going to take this as A, equation number 2. For maximum or minimum, dA by dx is equal to 0. So differentiation చేస్తే 20 times of x minus 2x is equal to 0, which implies that 10x లేదా x కామన్ తీసేసేయచ్చు మీరు. x will be common. 10 minus x is equal to 0. 2 common తీసిన తర్వాత x is equal to 10. x is equal to 10 అవుతే y కూడా 10 అవుతుంది. y is also 10 is the correct answer. Option 3 what he has given. So these are all the questions from 2021 and similarly we can have 22
Sir?
also. Problem question. So, yes.
ये की डिफरेंशिएशन करते 20 minus 2x వస్తుందేమో కదా సార్
20 minus 2x is equal to 0. 2x common తీసేసేయండి. 10 minus x. Correct? 2x common
సార్ x
తీసేసేయండి.
రాదేమో కదా సార్ మళ్ళీ
x ఉంది కదా x కామన్ ఇక్కడ x స్క్వేర్ 2x 20 minus 2x రైట్ x రాదు ఇంకా అవసరం లేదు 20 minus x square 20 యా x రాదు ఇక్కడ x రాదు yes very good here we don't have x ఇక్కడ x రాదు here we are not getting x correct ఇప్పుడు కరెక్ట్ అవుతుందా 2 మాత్రమే కామన్ తీసాం. So we have 3-4 problems. I'll try to send for your practice. 22 లో ఒక 2-3 problems ఉన్నాయి. ఇదే షీట్ లో మీకు చివర్లో పెట్టేస్తాను. You should complete those problems for your practice. The next class లో మీకు one more concept is there. That is from Euler's formula, second degree equation. That's it for today. Yes, Rahul.
సార్ దీని ముందు సమ్ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్ కొంచెం
ఈ ప్రాబ్లమా ఇంక్రీజింగ్ కదా ఇంక్రీజింగ్ అంటే గ్రేటర్ ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ 6 డివైడ్ చేస్తే x స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 3x ప్లస్ 2 కదా x మైనస్ 1 x మైనస్ 2నే కదా ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ వచ్చేది. మీకు ఇంతకుముందు రెండు పాయింట్స్ చెప్పా ఎక్స్ మైనస్ ఆల్ఫా ఎక్స్ మైనస్ బీటా గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 0 వస్తే మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ టు 1 2 టు ఇన్ఫినిటీ ప్లస్ సైన్ మీరు కావాలంటే చెక్ చేసుకోండి 1 కంటే ముందు అంటే మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఆఫ్టర్ 2 అంటే ప్లస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ వస్తుంది. రాహుల్ క్లియరా? నందిని స్టిల్ ఎనీ అదర్ డౌట్?
x స్క్వేర్ అని రాశారు కదా సార్
2x స్క్వేర్ ఎక్కడ
2x స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 3x ప్లస్ 2
లేదు 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 అక్కడ లేదు 2x స్క్వేర్ 2 లేదు కదా డిలీట్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. సో 3 ఇక్కడ వస్తే 3 ఇంటూ 2 6x స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది 6 నాన్న ఇది.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్
ఎనీ అదర్ డౌట్స్? ఇంకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? సంబడి ఆస్క్ ద డౌట్స్. ఎస్ ఎస్ నందిని ఎనీ డౌట్?
No.
Right, very good. Just we'll continue in the next class. Last one topic is there. Try to continue, right, in the next class. That's it for today, Nana.